Have you ever wondered how Luffy got his X-shaped scar across his chest? In the anime, there's a version during the Ocean's Dream arc where Luffy and a hypnotized Zoro fight, resulting in Luffy's chest being left with an X-shaped scar. However, this version is just filler. The true origin of Luffy's scar dates back to the war at Marineford, where Luffy's brother Ace died trying to protect him from Akainu. The shock of seeing his brother die severely traumatized Luffy, leaving him in a state of paralysis and shock. Luffy would have died if not for Jinbei, who carried his unconscious body away, while Akainu pursued them relentlessly. Jinbei tried to escape, but Kainu managed to catch up to Jinbei, hurting him as well as Luffy, leaving a deep X-shaped burn mark on Luffy's chest.